Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do.
About to get some new hang tags. I already paid for them online. Oh, it's cute. Oh, these came out really good.
Yeah, it's a cool logo too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You too. Got my cards, guys. I already know what time it is. We're in number 20. And number 41. Oh, I know what that is. Baby, say hi. Guys, we have something really cute. Okay, y'all, so I went to the mailbox and I got a package. I've been getting a lot of packages because I've been buying stuff like branding supplies and for Desmond's birthday and my mom's birthday. So yeah, but I got this box and I want to show you guys. Ooh. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like this. Here are my stickers. They just look like this, plain little stickers that I can use for anything. I got another package. I think this might be a birthday present. I think this might be from Skims. Oh, yep, it is. Okay, so this is from Skims. I got this for my mom. Looks like it comes wrapped cute and it has like the receipt and stuff. And then I got her shapewear. So the shapewear comes like this. Bam. That's not a new arrival, that's Amazon. Okay, so this should be my new arrivals. There's only 2. I knew it was gonna happen. Okay, so I was supposed to get 4 packages. Only have 2, so that means 2 of them, I don't even know where they at. They were supposed to arrive today, so. Entrepreneur life. Yo, these boxes are heavy. Look at that strong man. Look at that strong man. Moving champs. Hire my boy. The other 2 are in Georgia. I'm going to track them as soon as I get done. Hopefully they're here. And they just come tomorrow or something. But they said they were arriving today. Yeah. Baby, can I get a hell yeah for new branding spots? Ooh, you whore. Let's see. What do we have? Alright, I wonder what this is. I really don't know. Number 18. And then we have one more. 18 and 23. Oh, I think this is Brandon. Yeah. This is Brandon supplies, finally. Oh, I got 2. Oh, they put it. Okay, so it is out here. Okay, yeah. It should be. Have Go Shippo pulled up, so y'all already know what time it is. Let's go ahead and ship some orders. So I have a small batch right now that I'm going to go ahead and ship. So I just went ahead and checked them all, and now I'm going to go ahead and make sure everything is correct as far as my dimensions and everything like that. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and just ship the orders.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart.
Then jam. First one down. By the way, I'm passing them to Desmond, and then he's just putting them in the bag and closing them up for me. Because it's literally after midnight, and I just had literally so much go wrong. So he's helping me because I have a hair appointment early in the morning, and like I said, it's after midnight. So, yeah. So I'm packaging up an order for my sister. She's about to start her business. So she purchased the pink I Started the Businesses bag. So let me get her together. Y'all, literally, the packages are finally here after a week. They got lost and held up by customs. I finally got them. I literally almost forgot.
You got work to do.
Like, baby, I knew earlier today, and then I forgot.
Let me get these heavy things up out
so
of here.
happy that these finally came. Oh my God, I was so worried. Yes, so y'all, these are the post office run ones and my new XL black one. Peachish one. I'm hyped. I literally forgot for like 5 hours.
What we finna do about this little situation?
We're going out.
You got out there, go.
Baby got the packages. Y'all, they so heavy. They so heavy. Y'all don't understand how heavy this stuff be. I do remember, I do like to give y'all a little shout out. So shout out to Shantae, Demita, Kendra, Alexandria, Amanda, Vale, Ariana, Kiana, Ada, Karen, Tashika, Adrika, my sister Kayla, Monique, Kanesha, Key, Bianca, Jamie, Jasmine, Abla, Jordan, and Liddy. So shout out to you guys. This is a small batch that I did. Last time I talked to you guys when I was packaging up the orders, this is from that batch. So shout out to all of my boss friends. I appreciate when you guys purchase from me so much. If y'all want to support my website, it's kdkbeauty.com. Go find you something cute to wear, get you a business bag or anything like that. I have a lot of stuff that I'm supposed to launch, but I just haven't because I'm just so busy and overwhelmed with everything. But sign up on my website and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so y'all can see when I drop new products and everything like that, because I do have a lot coming. Like, I just have to get organized. Here is the post office run bag, and these are the orders that I just did. I'm gonna count and see how many I have in here, but as you guys can see, there's still a lot of room. I do have an XL version in light pink and black, so if you guys need a big one, go ahead and purchase those, or like most people, they just purchase a few of them. So I have a few of every color, just, you know, for the slow days and the busy days, so I definitely recommend doing that. The post office run bags are only $19.99. The I Started the Businesses bags are $24.99. And when you move up to the XL sizes, those ones are $32.99. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Really cute. This is the same color purple that I have with the I Started the Businesses style. And then yeah, I'm gonna make an XL version, so be on the lookout for that.
I got it.
My hands for Last batch. That was like a lot of packages. Outside getting product pictures. Today is Wednesday, so the bags will launch on Friday. So I just came up here to get some more content. And this is the pink and the purple post office run bag, and then I have the coral color. So I'm about to lay this one out now. Bug, move. Don't know why you do it. Don't rain on me. It's about to rain. Okay, now I'm gonna take pictures and videos. This is my little layout for these three. Desmond is unfolding the bag. I'm so hot, y'all. Literally, it's so hot out here, and it just rained. But today's actually Desmond's birthday. Tell him happy birthday. And we're on our way to like a little bakery. So that's what we're about to do. Baby, scoot it down some more, please. Ooh. That look good. Also, this is the second layout that I just got done doing. And yeah, I just used the sun. It's not really even sunny out, but the pictures are turning out good. So make sure you guys are on my website at 6 p.m. Eastern on Friday, August 13th, because all of these will be available. The post office run business bags are only going to be $19.99, and the I Started the Businesses bags are $24.99 for the $24.99 for the standard, $32.99 for the XL. So if you guys have not shopped yet, make sure you guys shop, or just go ahead and get you another one to add to your collection. It is Sunday. The last time I spoke to you guys was Wednesday. So I'm already filming for 2 other videos, including the launch that I was just telling you guys about, and also my office update video. So I just wanted to come on here and end this vlog, but make sure you guys stay tuned, because the launch day vlog will be up right after this, or I might have like a another video with an unboxing. So make sure you guys are subscribed and you like this video, because it really helps me out. Here's a little sneak peek of the next video. Cannot wait to show you guys. But yeah, thank you to those of you who purchased. I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you guys comment what you sell in your website down below. Y'all know how we do over here. So much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time, boss friend. Bye.
I gotta say I told you so. Now you gotta hear what you should have known.